creating a stable economic and social environment. The main aim of the Portia Simpson Miller-led administration for the 2013-2014 financial year. In her contribution to the national budget debate, Mrs. Simpson Miller outlined a comprehensive plan to move the nation from well-being to wealth creation.
Planned development is a central element of our progressive agenda. It is directly linked to the principle of joined-up government.
As part of that strategy, the National Physical Plan of 1978 is to be revised, while 4 development plans for Portland, Trelawney, Manchester and Negril will be promulgated this year. Cabinet is also considering the draft Town and Country Planning Bill, and the Prime Minister is to table a ministry paper on the processes to speed up development. Meanwhile, a task force on rural development will be established.
When I say that we're balancing the books while balancing people's lives and placing equal emphasis on growth and human development.
Energy tops the list of priorities to help Jamaica unleash its full potential. The Portia Simpson Miller administration is focused on finding cheaper sources of energy, diversifying the energy mix, and encouraging energy conservation. Priority is also being given to making it easier to do business with the government and to encourage personal wealth creation. There's also to be a stronger focus on technical and vocational education and training. And
in respect to labor market reform, I have instructed the Planning Institute of Jamaica and the Ministry of Labor and Social Security to undertake a comprehensive labor market reform study. Consultations have already begun and training sessions will commence this year.
Crime and violence is an acknowledged obstacle to economic prosperity. So, creating a safe, cohesive and just Jamaica is a central part of government's growth plan. In addition to allocating $2 billion to the improvement of service delivery of the security forces, the Prime Minister says there will be 4 new pieces of security legislation being brought to Parliament this year.
This government is in the process of establishing a number of significant projects designed to jumpstart our economy, provide jobs and investment opportunities for our people.
Among those major investments is the establishment of a logistics hub on the island, expected to bring about $9 billion worth of direct investment. Another mega investment project is China Harbour Engineering Company Czechs expressed interest in building an industrial park on the island.
The plan is to implement the project over a 5-year period, and during the construction phase, approximately 2,000 workers will be employed. When completed, the industrial park will employ approximately 10,000 workers. Mr. Speaker, it will be a non-negotiable requirement that the majority of these workers will be Jamaican nationals.
Investments in tourism, sport, the cultural and creative industries, as well as information and communication technology are also on Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller's agenda for the 2013-2014 financial year.
This government has taken bold decisions. That is transformation in action. We are going for growth, unleashing our full potential.